sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I have my Ipsy unboxing and my Play by Sephora unboxing. So let's get right into this. We'll start with the Ipsy. Oh, I also wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that this Ipsy bag will be my last Ipsy bag. I kind of feel as though I got enough products from them and I'm not getting the products that I absolutely, love. I'm feeling that the Play by Sephora is a little bit better, more fit for me. So I canceled my Ipsy subscription because lately I haven't been enjoying products. I have a lot of products from them. I've been getting Ipsy for about over a year now. Some of the products I haven't even had a chance to use. It's just not my favorite. And I will keep the Sephora, the Walmart. So I want to get right on into this one. This will be the last one. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, this is for the month of March. And cool. All right. It's cute. It's like the women. I guess this is for Women Month because, it's all about women this month. And they have the different head shapes of a woman. Let's go right on into it and open. So it says, this month, turn yourself and turn your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space. Smash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. I always do that anyway. Pick a shade that I think is too dark or too light and then blend them together. Be perfect. It is time to create a masterpiece. So go ahead and create your masterpiece. And I guess this is their masterpiece and it says March 2018. So I will miss that because I absolutely love the cards and, the little writings that they do. So first up, Lash Alert, a mascara. Wake up and go. So this is the Icon London and it says give your lash a lift with a shot of caffeine and a double dose of fiber for instant volume curl and definition. So let's see. Okay, so this is a mascara and it's supposed to be lifted up with fibers and oh, okay, look at that. Cool. All right, I like this. Not bad. Look at the bristles on that. So, of course, I love mascara, and I will try this one. This is a different container, though. Mostly mascaras come in a different container. This comes in like something squeezable, but hey, they're trying something new. Next up, this glosser. This is a coconut balm. Coconutbalm.com from Glosser. All right, so that's the name of it. So this is a lip balm. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a lip balm. And then so I put it there so that way you can see. Yeah, it gives it a little moisture there. Okay, so that's lip balm. Next up is this is Contour Cosmetics, and this gold container here, which is shining. And if you could see it, it says Contour right there. Yes, Cosmetics. So this is a lip liner. So it's really pretty. Look at that. Hold on. You can see it. Yes. Bring it close for you. Yeah, that's really pretty. So let's go ahead and see. Yeah, that's pretty lip liner. Yep. Okay. I love lip liner. It helps your lipstick to stay on longer. Helps to give your lips that define. So lip liner. Yes. Love it. All right. Next up. It's this cute container here, and that says Winky Luxe. This container is really cute. Look at this pink, and then oh, look at the different colors in that. All right, and let's open it and see the color. Winky Links Charm Holographic Highlighter. This holographic, look at that. All right, so this is the color there. Winky Luxe, so let's try it. Yes, look. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Okay, that is gorgeous. Love it. Yes, next up is these Ipsy creators. Oh, I guess these are what they're talking about. Put 2 together and create something amazing. Let's see. It says hashtag Ipsy create. Right here. There you go. And then this one is in the green. Right here. there it is. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Your girl is gonna create something cute with these. Guys, a masterpiece all done. Look at me. So you mix them together, and that is the pink, yay, pink here and pink here, and then the green there and there. So there's my masterpiece. Oh, killed it. I'm so silly, right? Yes, so that's it. You create that. That's done. So let's get back to the makeup. Last but not least is this body lotion. This is from Anadalu Natural. This is a new one. This says 1,000 Roses Lotion. Oh, this is fruit stem cells, and this is smoothing. So you apply all over your body, absorb quickly for Saturn smooth skin. So this is supposed to make your skin so smooth. So let's try it. Put a little, and it's go out really smooth. So let's see if it goes on smooth and it gives my hands that moisture. It smells really good. Yeah, it smells like roses, like they said. It moisturizes. You see that? Yep. So yay for the lotion and smoothing, and it says 1,000 roses. So yes, approved. Yay, love it. For this box, I would give this one. Oh, okay, so they put the masterpiece in as the 6th item, which was good. I would rate this one. It was okay. Got the lip balm. Oh, the highlighter, yes. Mascara, and your lip liner, and then the lotion. So yes, I'll rate this one a 7, which was pretty good. Not bad. It's Play by Sephora. So let's go ahead and open this box. Let's see. Love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks. Sephora, sephoraplay.com/play, and Play by Sephora. And then here we go. This is what we got. Let's go ahead and open this one. And yes, it says both. So this is Play by Sephora, and this is your 50 Beauty Insider points, which we love that, right? We want to get into the beauty stuff. So the bag this month, it's not bad. This says, beauty is my spiritual animal. Cool, I love that. Beauty is my spiritual animal, honeys. You know already. And then it's hashtag Sephora Play. I love these colors though. Like, come on now, come through with tie-dye. So let's go into the products. This is Lancome. This is Excessive Black. This is mascara. Excessive Black is the color. And this is Hydro Dramatic Mascara Volume. Okay, so here's the container. Here is it right here. Lancome, can you guys see that? Yes, right there. Got it? All right, so let's see how this. It says line up your length. Lancome. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. See, I love when the bristles are open like this, and you could get a great lift for volume. So, cool. You see how that turns the S? Yeah. All right, now. I'm loving it. Yes. So, that's Lancome. Next up, this is the Sephora Triple Action Cleaning Water. Oh, cool. A refreshing, no rinse micellar water cleans you and remove makeup from your face. Oh, and eyes in one wipe. Oh, okay, yes. Woo woo, because I like micellar water, but I think I will give this one a try. And this is from the Sephora collection. All right, next up is this makeup setting spray cooler. This has SPF 30. This is an organic makeup spray, and this is the container it comes in. And it's a makeup setting spray. Supposed to get the job done. You shake the bottle and then spray away from your face. You can spray up to 7 times. And here it is. Cooler. Next, Battle of the Strands. This is a Blossom Gloss. This is volume spray. So this is for your hair. So this is a hairspray. Hold on. Let's see. I want to get crazy. Just the, oh, that do smell like lemons. Okay. So it holds your hair in place, because this piece is just out of control. There you go. So hopefully it holds, right? One more side. Okay. It smells good. So it gives you that fuller volume look. Here's the container again. Wait, hold on. There you go. You can see it. There it is right there. And this is from Briogeo. So it gives you that volume. And it's the spray for your hair. I'm loving what I'm getting from Sephora. Is killing it this month. So next up is this Sephora Matte Perfect Powder Foundation for Modern Hybrid Powder Foundation with a creamy texture and buildable soft matte finish. Okay, so this is something I would absolutely love because I love that matte finish. So you can use this powder to touch up after foundation. I use, this is more of a foundation powder, and this is in shade Natural Sand, and this is color 26. And then this says, in clinical study, 98% shows matte skin for 8 hours after applying. In a consumer study, 100% agree that it is comfortable and does not dry out your skin. That's good. 97% agreed that it doesn't settle into your pores, fine lines, or wrinkles. All right, I like that. 94% agrees that it instantly cancels out oil and shine. 35 shades. So here we go. I don't know if you guys can see all of this right there. You know, keeps you matte and keeps you last all day, so that'll work. And the last item, which is the perfume of the month, is one of my favorites. I think I've received this in one, but they can continue to keep sending this to me. This is the perfume I'm thinking about getting. Burberry. My Burberry blush. I absolutely love this. This is on my list of perfumes to get for myself, and it smells so amazing. So I am happy about receiving this one. Yes, I get another sample. I went to Sephora and they gave me a sample of this. So then they included one in my box, which is amazing. But I will rate this one this month. Sephora did a great job. So this one, I would say, I would give this an 8. I'm excited about the perfume, my Burberry blush. At the Sephora, the micellar, it removes all of your makeup. Lancome, you can't forget about. Mascara. This is the Set Your Makeup. This is from Kula. Plus the hairspray that gives it that volume, plus holds it in place. And then the Sephora Matte Finish Foundation, Powder Foundation. So yes, I would rate this one an 8. It was pretty good this month. I'm excited about it. For Ipsy, that was my last one I'm receiving for Ipsy. I rated it a 7. Please let me know if you want to receive a subscription box or you just like my regular giveaways. I'm trying to get ideas. I have some stuff that I'm thinking about, but I want to kind of figure out what you guys want because this is for you guys. So I want to kind of get your ideas. Let me know in the description box below. Follow me on my social medias. I do a weekly product of the week of items that I like, and then I will do an upcoming giveaway. Comment on my social media plus one for you guys on YouTube. So most of you guys are following me there. You're able to enter in both of those, but I kind of want to get a few more ideas before I open that. You know, I like to do things big because you guys are so special to me and for supporting me. So gotta give y'all, you know, amazing. So that's just my quick update. I feel like I haven't recorded in so long, so I just want to talk to you guys. I'll probably do a get ready with me and give you guys an update on what I've been working on and why I have been away. So I'm going to try to get myself together and get recording more. But I'm starting a little, well, my dream is to start my own business, you know that. So anybody that knows me knows that. And I'll get more into that, and then I will let you try some of my beauty products and things like that. So yes, you guys are my favorites. I don't have to go out and look for people. I have you guys. So yay. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.